Right, so where we are now, I want to take this off as well because the lights in here are blown. Should I do it on this video? Not sure, but why not? Okay, 2 in 1, yeah. Let's take out the ashtray. How do you take this out? I'm not sure, but we'll figure that out in a minute. Yep, it's a matter of just pulling it out, I think. Doesn't seem like screw, but anyway. Should I start this video earlier than where I am now? Okay, I want to change the lights. And these, I think this one works, but this is gone, right? So how to change the lights now? First, you gotta take this off, right? There's actually 2 screws. There's 2 screws here at the bottom of this, right? And then you gotta pull it towards you, just pull it. But don't pull it too much because there's a connection there, so you don't want to break that. So first you take this off, and then the hardest part for me was to take this out. You know, this is like a piece of plastic that cover a single screw there. So we're gonna remove that screw. Listen, this is live. I haven't done it before. I just watched the video on YouTube. So I say, you know, let me just video myself doing it, right? So this is the uncut, unedited version. So if I make a mistake, guys, listen. This is live. I'm doing it as I go. It's not nothing where this is in real time. Right? So it's me and you doing this, right? So as I said before, I'm taking this off because it's a different screw. So let's put that one in there, right? And then we're gonna try and take the box out. Give it a couple of shakes. All on it, but there's screws here. There's a couple of screws here, it seems. It's not moving as well. No, but it's not connected. There's no screws. Hold on. Seems like it's connected up top, but I think so. What's the worst can happen? Let's try to pull it. Some coins in here. Let me take them out because I don't want them to fall inside. Okay, so from you get this box out the way, something's holding it there. Do you know what's holding it? But finally, wow. So there's some screws now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws in them. So we're gonna loose screws. We're gonna take this off. Then we're gonna see what's inside. Yeah. Okay, I need a better screwdriver or a bigger one. Let me get the bigger screwdrivers. So finally get it. I didn't do that. That's broken. So let's take off the harness. It's a matter of putting a clip on the back of it. So now we're gonna loosen this up and then I'm gonna see what's inside. Oh, this is what happened. The lights gone out these in the Honda CRV, but this is what the light bulb look like. These, right? It's a one unit. It's a single unit. It's a single unit, right? It's a single unit, so you can't just replace the bulb. You have to replace the whole unit, right? So this actually go down in here and you twist it, and that's how you get it out, right? But I have some spare ones. These one are the spare ones I took from a Citroen, but as you can see, it's different. Which it's bigger, right? One is bigger, and the casing is different, right? So it wouldn't have worked, right? So what I have to do, I have to discard that one, and I take this one. Well done, I solder it in to make it work, right? That's what I have to do. So I take this one, yeah, and I pull it out like, all right, yeah, there you go. I pull it out, and the wires on the back of it, I kind of like open them and put one across, and use my soldering gun from Parkside. Well guys, this is a wireless soldering gun from Parkside, right? And I soldered both ends here and here, and there's two bulbs was gone, so I soldered one here and here as well. So this one is still good, right? So I didn't change that, I just clean it a little bit. These are still good, right? So, and when these one goes, I'm gonna do the same thing like what I done here, right? I'm not sure if it's the same voltage that go to it, but I will try and do the same thing. And right, so let's put all this back together. But as I said before in my first video, if to take this down, there's two screws here, then you take this out, and then you gotta take off a little little covering, take it off in the single screw there. You're gonna take that box out, right? And then you're gonna see two screws that hold the unit in. The unit look like that, right? That's what it look like in the CRV, Honda CRV, right? So, and that's how it works. Here I'm just trying to change a acceleration cable, like gas cable. We're gonna change that, and today I changed this as well, the bonnet release, because the original one that came in the car was broken, so I bought that one off eBay and I changed it, right? So you can see that in my other videos. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put all of this back together and I'll show you how it works. So I said I didn't have the original bulbs, so I have to just improvise and use this one that I find from out a Citroen or any old dash. I said this is from the Honda CRV. The Honda used this one, but I didn't have that, so I had to solder in another light bulbs. If this should ever go again, I'm just gonna clean that off, take that out, solder in another one. Right, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'm just gonna put this back together, 7 screws, put it up and put the whole dash back together.